Mr. Speaker, I rise today to address an issue that will affect millions of Americans unless Congress acts. Unless we prevent the Medicare reimbursement cut that is scheduled to go into effect, the doctors, hospitals, and healthcare providers who work each day to treat Medicare patients may be forced to eliminate services, furlough staff, and delay health initiatives. These cuts will have the deepest impact on those patients who rely on Medicare to see their doctors. At a time when our healthcare industry is already facing record burnout, we cannot afford to risk losing more doctors, nurses, and healthcare providers. I urge all of my colleagues to join me in fighting these potential cuts in order to protect American patients who rely on Medicare each and every day. Thank you, and I yield.
Happy Monday, friends. I have important news to share with all of you today. There is a new deadline that has been revealed to apply for direct financial aid. Lawmakers have confirmed deposit dates for cash payments that are worth up to $1,000. Also, more information has been revealed on stimulus. Friends, please do me a big favor and please make sure that you watch until the end of this video so I can go over all of the details. To say thank you for being part of this community, I am giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month. Please make sure, friends, that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the daily giveaways. Residents residing in any of these states are in for some extra cash sometime in 2023. There are several U.S. states that are providing their residents payments of up to $1,500, so long as the residents take proper action to apply and receive these payments. Some payments will be delivered to residents as early as January 2023, while others will be sent later in the year. Chicago residents interested in receiving some extra money can potentially receive $500 if they fill out a program application before New Year's Eve. The program is titled Chicago Resiliency Fund 2.0. It will give up to thousands of eligible Chicago residents a one-time payment of $500. The money is intended to support people who had trouble qualifying for federal relief payments in 2020, such as crisis relief funds. The program is currently accepting applications from any households that have filed 2019 taxes with claim dependents who are at least 17 years old. To be eligible for this program, applicants must be at least 18 years or older and be residents of the city of Chicago. Additionally, applicants must have their income level at or below 300% of the federal poverty level. The federal poverty level will vary for applicants based on the number of people within their household. For households with one person, the federal poverty level will be $40,770, with the amount gradually increasing for every person in one household. Applications have been accepted for this program since October 31st, 2022, and will continue to be accepted until December 31st, 2022. So friends, if you reside in the city of Chicago, and if you are eligible, please make sure to apply for this extra relief. Also, friends, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham of New Mexico plans to push for an additional round of tax rebates at the 2023 legislative session. According to a recent legislative finance report, $3.6 billion is expected to be available due to a spike in revenue from oil production and a booming economy. Officials have said that New Mexico is the second biggest oil-producing state. The production of oil is second only to Texas across the United States. The other factors is that the state's economic growth and job market has been very strong. Christine Chandler, chair of House and Taxation Committee, recently told reporters this week, "We did get a revenue forecast just recently where it has moved upward from about $2.5 billion in excess of last year's budget to now $3.6 billion. So we need to be thinking about ways of utilizing those funds prudently." While new Republican House Leader Ryan Lane believes that distribution of tax rebates can be good for taxpayers. He said long-term solutions are key. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the key word for this video is Christmas parade. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Christmas parade, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, dear friends, that the more videos you watch and leave a keyword on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. California residents can expect to receive direct payments of up to $1,050 as part of a state program that is intended to provide residents relief amid inflation across the United States. The payment is titled the Middle Class Tax Refund, and it will be sent out to eligible Californians, with the final waves of direct deposits and state-issued debit cards set to be sent out by the end of January. However, according to the state government's website, certain recipients can expect to receive their payment sometime between this week and New Year's Eve. The recipients who can expect their payment within the next 2 weeks are individuals who are not Golden State Stimulus recipients and whose last names begin with the letters L through Z. The other individuals who are still waiting for this payment are direct deposit recipients who have changed their banking information after they filed their 2020 tax return. They will receive their payment between December 17, 2022 and the end of January 2023. Direct deposit payments will be made to any taxpayers who filed their 2020 state tax returns online and received their tax refunds by direct deposit. For everyone else who qualifies for this payment, middle-class tax refund debit cards will be given to them via the mail. Middle-class tax refund debit card payments will be given to them via USPS mail. Well, my awesome and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Monday evening. Thank you so very, very much for everyone who is watching and who's joined me here today. To say thank you for being part of this community, I will be announcing a new winner every day for the Walmart gift card giveaway. So please make sure that you enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos. And do comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed week.